Hey everyone, welcome back to the new van conversion series. So today we're going to try and remove the bulkhead and slowly strip out everything ready to start doing the floor and stuff like that. So just going to take you through a few things I've got, a few tools I'm going to use, and then we'll get it straight on to removing the bulkhead part. So I've got my socket set, a drill, a pair of gloves in case there's any sharp bits and all that sort of stuff. So literally I've got to remove all these bolts around here. I have to drill through these and then literally just try and remove everything and get this bulkhead and open up the van.
Wonderful.
I think a week tomorrow.
Are you going to keep this one then?
Yeah, I'm going to keep
this one. This one.
Yeah. The last one was great and I would have kept it, but it was just...
I think you're a bit too small or what? No?
It was great for like the odd couple of days, week, but this is for like months on end.
Yeah.
Well, you could go away in it for years, which is the plan.
I'm saying you can probably anyway, you've got to sell it by itself. Life of luxury.
No.
Anyway, that's the difference, yeah.
I will do. You'll see my progress over a few months.
Hey,
You'll see.
I've got plenty of time, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got until January. So I've removed the majority of the bolts now, all down here. I live near a busy road, so all these bolts have been removed. So now I've just got to remove that one and hopefully it all slides out. So oh, stay there actually. So you're going to tell everyone what we've done? So that's the bulkhead removed. Archie, new van. So come here. That's the bulkhead removed, stay there. So literally we're going to have down here kitchen, sink, fridge. Obviously the bed will be at the back. Underneath the bed will be like a toilet with a pull-out table. Down here will be like a little chair, storage area, so there'll be storage above the bed alongside there. Enough storage underneath the back of the bed for like a porta toilet, mountain bike on the right hand side with a modular canoe. Left hand side will be all electrics and more storage and all that sort of stuff. We're going to put a roof vent light up at the back and one at the front, and then obviously we're going to make this a swivel chair, aren't we, Stinky? So we got seating here and to the front and stuff, and that's it. So that's us for today. We removed the bulkhead, which was pretty simple and easy. That's now the scrap for someone to come and collect. And then the next couple of days after I finish work, I'll get on and strip out everything, start sound deadening everywhere, window fitted, and then we'll slowly make a start. Won't we, Archie? So say goodbye. Say goodbye. What's this? Let's say goodbye. So thanks for watching. That's our bulkhead removed, and then we'll get on to the next video pretty soon. So keep an eye out on our Vanlife series, and we look forward to watching you soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment below. See you soon. See you in the van.